So all three of these are in the Harvard archives, and this is, I cannot read what he said, but I'm almost positively sure, and Allahu A'lam, that this information is being presented for the first time. And it's really profound and deep, because essentially what he did was lay out a manifesto for Islam in America. And I find it very timely that this is presented now after we just had this incredible panel which laid out a tremendous manifesto. I feel, mashallah, is a big amana on Lamppost. Big, big, big amana, because what was laid out here is very serious. And our condition is even more serious. And what we're about to present now is in addition to what's here. This is Brother Malcolm's vision, mission, and objective for American Islam in America. And we know that's in December he died. He was assassinated in February.
The obsession with creeping into Muslims, everyone obsessed with their rights, is because of our nearness to the dunya and our distance from the deen. Because you don't read in the Quran, you read in the Quran, i'dilu, be just. Be just. Huwa aqrabu lit-taqwa. That's closer to God consciousness. Kunu qawamina bil-qist, shuhada'a lillah. Be upright for justice. You be upright for justice. It doesn't say be upright in securing your rights. That's part of the religion, don't get me wrong. But the prioritization has to shift from one that focuses on the akhirah, from one that focuses on the world. Because we are taking on the disease and the cancer that's bred by worldly ideologies, because the architects of those ideologies, there's no God.
They say that the Lord will come like a thief in the night. Perhaps the Lord will come in the things that we write, and the things that we read, and the things that we bleed, and the things we recite. Maybe the afraid I'll spit fire and these kerosene streets will ignite, or that I'll spit water in these barren streets to give life. And I've learned that the thing that pulls a fiend to the pipe is the same thing that pulls a human being to the light. The love of love, a means to cope. So I try to inhale their dreams and exhale hope. Homeboy said, man, the people either feel it or don't. So you can inhale their dreams and exhale hope, but you better chew coca leaves and spit out dope. And that reminded me of a passage, and I quote, Allah will not change the condition of a people, and today change the condition with what's within themselves, end quote. Inshallah, I won't falter. Steady rock of Gibraltar, swift traversing waters. Verses I've authored, I offer as a solemn sacrifice upon the altar in order to alter the current conditions of our sons and our fathers. And they say we need more black mayors and black lawyers. I say we need more black John Mayers to win Grammys for singing songs about our daughters, because we are caught in a culture of defeatism, worshiping victims and martyrs. We are not victims but victors, if we but witness our honor, our brilliance, our resilience, and our beauty is farther than pimping hoes, tricking dough, Gucci and Prada. From Sile Street to Simpson Road, have you shook in the trauma of terrorism that precedes Al-Qaeda and Osama? Forget Ben Laden, Ben Franklin enslaved my great-great-grandmama, comma, great-great-grandfather, comma, indigenous nations of reservations, comma, but we caught in a coma, sleep. So the truth will have to come like a thief in the night. But if you're awake, you'll hear it in the things that we write, in the things that we bleed, in the things we recite. And because the truth will come like a thief in the night, being awake, I've learned, is the meaning of life.
Why is it that when you talk about polygamy, polygyny, Muslims feel on the defensive? Whenever Allah sends a prophet, He doesn't send a prophet because something is right. He sends a prophet because something is wrong. And it is the job of the prophets to take the people out of darkness and bring them into the light. The problem isn't in polygyny. The problem isn't the Quran or the Sunnah or Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The problem is us. We're the problem. Sir Isaac Newton said, I can calculate the movement of the stars, but not of the madness of man.